Good day, everyone, and welcome to live trading session. My name is Nenad, and today, along with FXZD, we will show you some trading ideas and possible setups. It's July 2nd or 2nd of July, and before we proceed, have in mind that forex trading carries a high level of risk that is not suitable for all investors. Please educate yourselves on the risks associated with forex market before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. Now, let's see what we have today. This is the platform, and currently I have two trades running. I have a euro yen. Okay, now the price drops, so I will make one more entry. So this is how I do it. Very clear. Making one more entry. Let's see what we will have. So euro yen. This is okay. We need to calculate the spread. Okay, so my entry is scaling in. Actually, is here. Stop loss will be 121. The spread is 3 pips, so it's 76.5. Target, or let's say 70. It's almost more. It's more than 3 pips, so I would say 76. Okay, and target for this is 100 and 2280, I would say. Well, maybe it can go a little bit more up, but let's see. Okay, this is the trade. Currently, I'm having this trade, and I also have another trade running. This account has been brought from 10,000. Now it's 28,500, but also it was 35. Now, actually, it's very, very, there are very nice profits here on this account. As you can see, I'm trading this live, and it's going exactly as planned. I'm very, very happy how these trades are running and how FXZD handles this, how the platform handles executions. It's very fast and very smooth. So here you can see that the price actually is rejecting from these POC zones. The first zone that we have here is basically a rejection. So the price hit the zone and now it's trying to go up. Also here it's hit the zone, it's trying to go up. So if it doesn't go up, I think that we will have a major change in the trend on euro yen. Here we can see the trend is to the upside, but really the price needs to go at least to 120 to 80, 90, and then proceed up, at least retesting the level. So I hope that we might actually see the price going up. I will actually, I think I'm gonna maybe change the final target to 123.15. Yeah, let me do it. Okay. I might change the target indeed, because I think the price really can go maybe even more to the upside. Okay, let me just do it. Target on euro yen changed 123.15. You see, it's pretty much okay. It's pretty much clear that the price can go more to the upside. So yeah, I will change the target here, and let me do it. I mean, why not? If it wants to hit stop loss, it will hit it. If it doesn't want to hit, if it wants to go more up, it will. Because this is also a big retracement from this spot to this spot. This is a nice retracement. A lot of zones here. So yeah, I will do it. I will change this really. 121. I really can afford to risk. The deposit for this account was 10,000. So you can see it's really nice now how the prices are going. Yeah, on the Australian dollar, I will do this just a little bit later. I'm monitoring these trades. Let me just change it here. Okay, so euro yen 121.76. Okay, 121.76. And here is 123.15. No, this is Australian dollar. I didn't see. Okay. No, I need euro yen. So modify order 121.76 and 123.15. And here I want to change the target also. Yeah, this is a little bit bigger risk on euro yen that I originally intend to, but the Australian dollar is covering, and I had also some trades in between that were very, very profitable. So this is a re-entry on the Australian dollar, and you can see here. I think that the price now should go to 70.00 and see. I want to see it above this level for our resistance. If it hits the level here and goes up, then this is the final target probably. But I will review the trade. I am in profit. I on my other account I scaled in at 69.81. So on my other account I am close to 16 pips of profit. On this account, I was entering slightly higher than I was supposed to. I was trying to type it as a potential trading idea, and then when I hit, I saw that the price went a little bit up. But this should have been an entry exactly a little bit higher. I might say maybe lower. Sorry, 69.80, at least 81. But it doesn't matter. I'm risking those 3 pips. I think it's okay. So on the Australian dollar, it's okay, 60. Let me check. The Australian dollar 70.40 is the final target here. I want to see it at the daily H5 or weekly H3. Today it's Tuesday, so 3 more days. I think despite the rate cut, the Australian dollar is supported, so I would leave it running. So my stop loss is 69.45, but I need to add the spread. The spread is 2 pips, so 69.43, and final target is 70.40. Okay, this is it. Let's see. So 2 trades running, Australian dollar, okay, and euro yen. The Australian dollar has formed a V-shaped reversal. It's trying to go towards 70.002, close above 70.007. Implies that the price could go to 70.20 and potentially 70.40. Okay, this is what I see here. And then if the price makes a momentum spike above this level, then we are in a strong uptrend towards 70.70 originally. Wow, 71.16. I'm not sure that the price might go this week, but we can always be ready. Euro yen. Yeah, trying to reject from this spot. Let me just check Fibonacci retracement. Yeah, it's close to 78.6 and it's 61.8 zone. So I guess that could be it. Oh well, this is also the zone. This is uptrend. Obviously here, price is going down, then making another push, making a higher high above this previous high. So definitely 123.15 is a level that if bulls want to dominate, it should come into a retest. But I'm not sure it could happen, but obviously we need to wait. Originally, my trade that I made here came in profits today, 122.50 on the ECB announcement, but I didn't close it. I was actually not close to my platform, so I didn't pay attention. But even if I saw this, I would have maybe closed the trade. But okay, I mean, we can do nothing. Sometimes we miss the trade management. Well, that's the trader's life. So nothing that is not ordinary thing. So let's see. The zone is here. The Australian dollar is also here. Okay, and would be good that the price makes a push above the level, and I think it could, because definitely the Australian dollar is bullish. Other than that, I saw a late signal with my trading method on the Euro CAD, and originally this was an entry here, counter trend entry. This is what I call super dot. Very accurate entry, 48.00, was and is for our support daily L3 Camarilla, and I was thinking that if the price goes above, it could retrace. It went above, but I missed the signal. I missed this signal. Um, Obviously, this was a good one because after that, the price went almost 45 pips in our favor, because you see the ATR is 63 pips, and if the price makes you gives you 40 pips, you need to be very happy because it's very very close. It's like 70-80% of the ATR, so you cannot take more than market is willing to give you. You need to understand that. So taking 40 pips, and if the ATR is 63 pips, it's great. Don't forget, we are doing intraday trading. So in intraday trading, this is crucial thing that you should watch. ATR. Okay? Simply put, you cannot take more than market gives you. Taking 10, 15, 20 pips is great if the market is lower. Don't forget about it. The biggest mistake traders make is they don't follow their money management. They don't follow what market is offering. They want more and more. It's not possible. With the slow market, when the ATR is low, you cannot take more than market is willing to give you. Remember that, guys, okay? It's important. The question, Daniel is asking, can we make a buy trade on the GBP Australian dollar? Let me check. I don't have any signal, but maybe after this candle close, we will have a signal. Although, judging from price action, this could be a long indeed. I'm actually following my system only, Camarilla MACD, and I would wait for super dot to appear. But I can say if this candle 1 hour close is bullish, then probably yes, you might have a buy trading opportunity. But we don't know. I don't have any signal here, and I see a megaphone pattern that I don't like. This is megaphone here. You see, I will show you megaphone here. Okay, here and there, megaphone. So it's tricky. But if this candle makes a close above 80.56, then I guess it's a valid buy. I mean, from my perspective, I would always wait for the signal. But from your perspective, because you don't have Camarilla MACD MTF, I would say wait for the close of the candle above 80.55. If 1 hour close is okay, then you just open a buy trade. But this candle, 1 hour candle, needs to be bullish. Yes. Do you have any other questions, guys? If you have, just go ahead and ask me. I will update you. Okay. So just go ahead and ask me if anything is not clear or you want a thorough explanation. But I think, yeah, it could go. Indeed, it could go up. GBP dollar is bearish, but it's making a retracement. So I would go maybe for a sell around 2670 here in this zone. 2670, 80 could be a valid zone for another sell. But this looks like a retracement indeed. Dollar yen. Dollar yen still has a gap. If this gap is closed, I guess there will be a bullish signal. So I would be looking for long opportunities around 107.95. Yeah, I would be looking for opportunities close to this level here. Okay, the GBP CAD. Again, shorting opportunities could come around 66.18 to 66. Yeah, I would say in between 66.10 and 35 here. Bearish. Watch for bearish candle closes. Okay. Yeah, see the price is now, and now the Australian dollar is still going up. Euro dollar also having a retracement. I guess euro dollar could go up now in a form of, yeah, this was, yeah, you see it's still now bearish trend on intraday, but inverted head and shoulders here, and the price could go and form a possible new uptrend. But I would like to see if the reversal happens here. If it is, then it's a continuation of the bearish trend. But if the price closes above daily resistance, that is 1347, the next day I think euro dollar will be bought on a dip, and it's a long trading opportunity. Okay, euro GBP was going up, now it's turning down, so now the trend changed a little bit to the bearish side. This was counter trend trade opportunity. New Zealand dollar, I think New Zealand dollar could go up also. Yeah, I have a signal here and I will trade it. I'm opening a trade now. Okay, New Zealand dollar, just give me a few seconds, guys. It's important. Okay, so this is my, I think, final trade for today. Okay, let me write it down. Okay, this is a long trade. Okay, the entry is 0, 66, 60 to 70. Stop loss is 66.29. 66.29. And the final target is, I would go with 67.30. I would try 67.30. Okay, and this is my final target for the day. Okay. Yeah, I'm long, so let's see what will happen. I'm monitoring the trade. So I have the Australian dollar, I have euro yen, and I have New Zealand dollar. So first three things. Clear entries, clear everything. Guys, well, this is what I do, what I have, fully transparent here. So you can actually join. If the price drops a little bit here, I will add one more trade. So I'm monitoring this, but this is a long signal for me. And if it drops, I will add. Okay, Egils is asking, New Zealand CAD had empty arrows, AGMT. Is it still bullish? New Zealand CAD. It's okay. If you see the arrow, then it's okay. You don't need to worry because at this time the signal was valid. But now let's say the price drops below the arrow, then the arrow might disappear, but it doesn't matter because at this point we took the trade when the signal is bullish. So it's good. It's always the real time. So this time the signal is bullish. So yeah, we are taking the trade. New Zealand dollar CAD. Let me check. Oh, I have here. You see, I have the arrows here. FXDD platform, very clear bullish rejections. Egils. I don't know which brokers are you use actually, but you see these are arrows here. So yeah, the candle is, and this is bullish. You see arrows. Yeah, there are arrows indeed. It's still okay. I mean, no problem. I don't think that it's a broker's difference. I don't think so. But sometimes I know this because I've been testing the method on 5-6 different platforms. It's sometimes you see the price here 8. Okay, if the price drops, sometimes you can see disappearing arrows. But then again, if you go to the indicators list here and check what it says here, mine is on 5 here, minimum overbought oversold distance. Maybe if you set it to 1, 3 or 5, it should maybe display it. This is what I have it here, you see. And these are the settings, because there are a lot of settings here. Maybe some of the settings could actually make a difference, but I guess this is, you see, this is pretty much clear. It's bullish. It's still bullish, you see. Okay, New Zealand dollar. So check the settings in the indicator. Stop loss is 66.29, but I have the spread here of 2 pips. So 66.67. No, it's 66.27. Sorry. And the final target is 67.30. I think I said. I will check it. Yeah, you see, it disappeared now because prices are dropping. But as soon as it starts going up, it's a valid signal. Because I notice it real time, I'm leaving the trade running. So it's perfectly fine if it happens. Sometimes it's also due to settings. Don't forget about it. See this. You have the arrow with a circle. If you go to the indicators list, it's 5 overbought, oversold. See? And here we have different, I think. Let me check. 7. You see, this is, if I change to 5, you will see the arrow. But I'm not changing it. I have 3 different settings to spot best possible trades. For me, this is also good, having it on 5. Okay, I hope this is clear now. 67.30 is the final target, daily H5. Let's see. I'm leaving everything open, guys. Everything is transparent. Everything is clear. Nothing to hide. I hope that you enjoyed our session. See my trades, guys. Join up for more live training sessions. I will be here with you soon. And of course, I hope that we will make pips together again. Thank you, guys. Fingers crossed. Cheers. Trade safe.